Let's break down this high yield MCAT concept in 60 seconds. One of the most highly tested concepts on the Gen Chem portion of the MCAT is the concept of equilibrium. So to break this down, let's look at this equilibrium reaction where A plus B goes to C plus D. You know you're dealing with an equilibrium reaction on the MCAT if you see these two arrows, which represents that this reaction can proceed in the forward and reverse direction. The high yield concept you need to know for the MCAT is to determine which way an equilibrium reaction will proceed based on the value of Q and K. As you can see, Q and K both represent a ratio of our products to our reactants in our equilibrium reaction. It turns out that Q is the ratio of our products to our reactants at any given point in the reaction, and K is the ratio of our products to our reactants only when the reaction reaches equilibrium. The goal of every equilibrium reaction is to proceed so that Q eventually equals K. So to break down the three different possibilities for any equilibrium problem on the MCAT, we need to know if Q is less than, equal to, or greater than K. So if Q is less than K, that means that we need to send this reaction to the right and make more products. That way Q can increase and become equal to K. If Q is greater than K, that means you've made too many products and we actually need to send this reaction in the reverse direction, making more reactants, decreasing Q, making it equal to K. And if you get a reaction where Q is already equal to K, you are already at equilibrium, and this reaction is not going to proceed in the forward or the reverse direction.